Really quick before we jump into the content, make sure to check out this video. This is about the biggest crypto competition ever in the history of cryptocurrency space. They're giving away Cybertrucks, Lamborghini, gold secure currency, which is backed up by gold, and a lot of cash during the next few months. The competition is starting very soon and everybody can participate and earn money. Everybody has equal chances, so I don't want you to miss it. Just make sure to check out the link. And now, enjoy the content. Welcome back to CryptoWealthy channel, guys. In today's video, Komodo is on our list because we have very interesting and bullish chart over here. Yes, you heard me well. Even so, Komodo dropped 80%. The chart is bullish, and I'm about to show you a few signs for that. And actually, this is going to be maybe one of the first of coin that I'm going to trade after so big dump in crypto space. So if we come over here for counting our waves to see where the price actually is, we can see that this is the lowest low over here on the chart. And if we draw to the next high, this is going to be the first wave. The next wave is the next drop. Of course, this drop is not diminishing zeroth level over here, which is very important. And the third wave is usually the biggest wave, and as you can see, this wave is bigger than the first one, and the next fourth one, and then you have the fifth one. We still didn't start yet. Let's just put this for the sake of this video. If we zoom in over here, this is the weekly chart. You need to understand that whenever you see higher time frame, always use higher time frame first before you do technical analysis, because if you're in doubt, always zoom out and you will see where some coin or any asset is in that trend. We can see that 3 waves are already done and the 4th wave is playing out, or let's say it's trying to finish, right? So if we take Fibonacci level, let's find the levels that Komodo is struggling to get to. Okay, so if we put over here, the next thing that we should expect is a retest of 0.618. This level is going to be one of the most important one to retest for the Komodo, and 0.5 is actually very near, but it's not Fibonacci level. You need to understand that. So it's not going to be significant for our analysis, but 0.618% retracement of Fibonacci over here is going to be important, and one of the reasons for that is because the 5th wave may actually stop there. Okay, so this may be the next target for the Komodo. So now everybody would ask, why are you not asking about $20 or $30 or $100 Komodo? Because it's not realistically, and it's not ideal in the next few weeks to get such a prices. Of course, during the months it could happen and the year, but during the next weeks or even 2 to 3 months, I don't think that's possible. One of the reasons for that is because you need to have 5th wave smaller than the 3rd wave. This count looks perfectly fine, and by these calculations over here, the 5th wave shouldn't go much above over here, because you know, if we go above 3rd wave, it's going to diminish the whole theory, which I don't think it will happen. If it happens, we need to actually recalculate everything from beginning. There are small chances that will happen. Also, I want to mention, whenever extension of the 3rd wave, let's just move this old one, surpass 1.618, usually the 5th wave is not going to be way too big, because, well, you have your over goal, let's say over here, over 3rd wave, which is 160% of the 1st wave. Well, we exceeded that. Okay, we exceeded in 200 most probably. So this is the reason why I do believe that the 5th wave should be smaller and will be smaller. Okay, we're going to observe and see what's going to happen. Okay, everything is possible, but the 5th wave, I wouldn't bet is going to go over all-time high. Okay, now if we measure that, we can say that that's pretty much over 200, 250, or who knows, even 300%. We can search before we see ABC correction. Now, if we, since we are discussing about ABC correction, you can see that the Komodo has one of the most perfect ones in the whole crypto space that I saw so far. Okay, if you have any coin that has better, let me know. So if we take measurement over here, this is the A, this is the B, and this is the C. Now what's interesting about this correction is that the first wave is not so big, okay, this A wave. Then the B wave, it is impulsive, but it's not breaking and violating our rules over here, which is very good. And the C wave is very long. When I say very long, I say that many coins had similar structure over here, but they still didn't break this low, while Komodo actually is doing it right now and it's breaking its low. What I mean by that, let me show you, for example, Filecoin. You can see that the Filecoin is not breaking that low, okay? It's just not breaking, it's still there. Even if it comes over here, it's going to be less bearish than the Komodo. Now going back to the Komodo, you can see that we have breakout of that low, okay? We are holding above it, but we did break it. One of the reasons for that, why that happened, is because price came below to retest one very important level. What I'm discussing about, and let me just remove these over here, is this structure. We discussed in yesterday's video about one coin about similar structure, okay? This is multiple year, let's say 2.5 year long structure. It's very important because this was the bear market, okay? This was the bear market, and this bear market is very noticeable on the charts, and many traders are going to trade by it, which means you can see that the price broke the structure, came back to retest it, and most probably is going to bounce back in the fifth wave, okay? So that's something to take for the trading. If you're trading, that's how your setup should, you know, your story about this chart should look like. Because if we go below this structure, which I don't think is going to happen, ladies and gentlemen, because resistance becomes support, especially such a big resistances and supports are very noticeable, as I told you, on the chart, and they're not easily to break. As you can see, as the resistance, it didn't break so easily. It needed pretty much 2 years to actually break such a structure. In this case scenario is going to be the same for the support. This is one of the reasons why I want to trade this, because it's very likely, okay, it's likely, not certain, but likely that we are going to bounce from this level. Remember that. One of the reasons also why this structure is very important, you can see it on the Bitcoin price. The Bitcoin price is going to, I'm going to show you over here, the similar structure, okay? Similar structure. After breakout, you saw very big push to the upside. Well, the same thing happened with the Komodo, okay? The Komodo did the same thing. After breakout, this even bigger resistance. I mean, look, it's pretty good surge to the upside. We can even measure, and you can see probably 300, even 400%. I mean, amazing. The same thing I expect now, you know, restart of the rally and push to the upside. So this is the reason why I want to trade this. Also, if you want more reason, I mean, let's go to the MACD. I want to show you something. The MACD, of course, it's in bearish still, but it's going to convert to the bullish side sooner or later. The best thing is on the daily chart. The daily chart is showing us bullish divergences. Well, you can see over here lower. Well, you can see a lower low. Well, over here you're seeing higher low on those averages over here. So it is bullish. For now, we have a lot of bullish signs for reversal, and I want to trade this. I'm going to put some money into the Komodo, and I'm going to trade this structure because I pretty much love it. So this is it for this video today, ladies and gentlemen. I just wanted to bring you some interesting content, and who knows, maybe recommendation, right? But this is not a financial advice, so you need to trade and invest your own money by your own due diligence, not mine or anyone's else. I think this is it for today. Let me know in the comment section down below if you have some other coin to go through, and thanks for watching. Very quick before you go, make sure to check out this video on our channel, because this is the biggest competition in the crypto world ever. You can earn Cybertrucks, Lamborghini, gold, money in gold and gold secure currency, crypto, and a lot of cash in the next few months or so. So I don't want you to miss it. Just make sure to check it out and thank me later. Good luck, and until the next update, happy trading and goodbye.